Hi everyone, welcome to How to Crypto. Today, I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to download FTX wallet application for your Android. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. To download FTX wallet app on your Android, tap open your Play Store. Make sure that you're connected to an internet of course, and then tap on the search button at the top. Type in FTX wallet in the search box and search. Tap on this application right here that says FTX-Trade BTC ETH and SHIB. Once you find this application, tap on the install button in green to begin the downloading process. FTX is a cryptocurrency derivative exchange that was created by traders for trading. It aspires to provide a platform that is both strong and intuitive for professional trading firms and first-time users. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap the open button to launch it on. And that is how you can easily download and install FTX wallet for your Android. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.